Dear students, going next class. As we yesterday we have done factorization by remainder theorem, and I hope आप practice किए होंगे. See this question: using suitable identity, find product, like this, right? So as you studied in class 8 some identities, so first of all we try to write the identities, then we try to solve this question. This question you have already done in the class 8, but in this class we are going simple things for the identities. What are the identities? Identities. What are the identities? That is, if x plus a, first identity, and x plus b is equal to, we can write x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now second identity you can use here, a minus b and a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. Third identity we can use that, a square minus 2ab a square, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are the some identities, only 4 identities. Already you have used it in class 8, but these questions are dependent on these identities. So we will try A and C, and you have to do at the home. You have to do at home B and C. A और C हम करेंगे, B और C आप घर पे करेंगे, राइट? ये नई चीज़ नहीं है, क्लास 8 में आप कर चुके हैं, बस एक सिंपल आइडिया आपको देना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A, x plus 8 and x minus 10. First of all, try to identify the identity which used in this. पहले आप ये ट्राई करिए कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यहाँ पे यूज हुई होगी या कर सकते हैं, राइट? So in this case we find that it contains two brackets. First thing is common, same, that is first term is in the both bracket, this is x and this is also x, right? Here first thing is x and here also first thing is x, first term is x. So in this identity if you try to find out this question, x plus a and x plus b, in this also first term is common in the both brackets, second term is different. First term is common, second term is different, right? In this case also first term is same, second term is different. So it is identified that हम पा गए कि क्या पाए, यही आइडेंटिटी हमको यूज करना है, right? One more thing, you can as a class 8 you can also multiply both the brackets here, but we have to use here identity यूज करने के लिए कहा है, तो आइडेंटिटी यूज करना है. आपको नहीं करेंगे तो आपको पूरा नंबर नहीं मिलेगा, right? Now in this case see here the answer. First thing is x square. So what is x over here? X is, we can identify it, this is like x, this is like a, this is like b. This is like x, this is like a, this is like b. When you simplify it, x is x, put in bracket and square. यहाँ पे जो भी वैल्यू होगी दोनों सेम होगा, उसको ब्रैकेट में रखना है और स्क्वायर रखना है, लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे देख रहे ना, जो भी है स्क्वायर है उसका, फिर प्लस, नाउ यूज प्लस, ऑलवेज यूज दिस ब्रैकेट. a plus b, what is a here? Plus 8. Plus b here, what is b here? b is minus 10. नॉट ए प्लस 10, ये माइनस किसका है, 10 का है। इक्वेशन आपके आइडेंटिटी में कहीं माइनस नहीं यूज हुआ है। अगर माइनस आएगा तो किसके साथ लिखा जाएगा, हमेशा नंबर के साथ लिखा जाएगा। माइनस किसका होता है, नंबर का होता है। ये माइनस किसका है, 10 का है। नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया, a प्लस बी हो गया इंटू एक्स। एक्स मीन्स हियर इंटू एक्स, राइट इन ब्रैकेट, प्लस व्हाट इज हियर, प्लस a b। व्हाट इज a हियर, a is 8, keep in bracket, b is minus 10. a is 8, b is minus 10. Now just simplify it. You can get here x square is x square plus 8 and minus 10 gives you minus 2, plus 8 and minus 10 gives you minus 2 into x over here, and this is 8 into minus 10 gets 80. 8 into minus 10 gets 80, that is minus 80. Then you can write it x square minus 2 into x is minus 2x minus 80, right? X square minus 2x minus 80. This is the product of the this is the product of the number. Okay, now we will try one more question. This always, since one more thing, always here we will use minus 4 in a bracket, minus 3 in a bracket, then you will never get confused, right? Now next thing, C. What is C? Y square plus minus 3 upon 2 y square plus 3 upon 2. Now first of all we will try to identify the identity. आइडेंटिटी को पहचानेंगे हम पहले, कौन सी आइडेंटिटी हम यूज करेंगे, कौन सी आइडेंटिटी फॉलो कर रही है। एज वी नो दैट इट कंटेन्स टू ब्रैकेट, फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ द बोथ सेम, फर्स्ट टर्म इज सेम like the previous question, and here second term is also same. Here our second term is also same, that is 3 by 2 here and 3 by 2 here. But what is the difference? Difference is that here is minus and here is plus. Here is minus and here is plus. What is, how you divide? First term same, second term also same, but sign is different. So this identity number second, a is a, b is b, here minus, here plus, plus minus may be here and there also. This can also be written as a plus b and a minus b. ये प्लस माइनस दोनों ब्रैकेट में आगे पीछे हो सकता है, अल्टर हो सकता है, राइट? जिसको हम कहते हैं कम्यूटेट हो सकता है ना? उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आइडेंटिफाई हमने क्या किया, सब कुछ सेम है, एक ब्रैकेट में प्लस है, एक ब्रैकेट में माइनस है। नाउ द आंसर इज a square minus b square. A square, first of all we have identified that this is our a and this is our b. So according to the formula, a square, what is a square? A means y square. This total is a. A means y square minus b means 3 upon 2 and square. Don't confuse with this square. इस स्क्वायर से आप कंट्रोल, ये स्क्वायर पहले से है, जो कुछ भी यहाँ रहेगा उसका स्क्वायर करना है, जो कुछ भी यहाँ रहेगा उसको लिखेंगे, ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे, स्क्वायर करेंगे, राइट? यहाँ पे ओनली क्या है, 3/2 के स्क्वायर। ए बी सी ये सब क्या है, सिंबल है, सिंबल में भी एनीथिंग, तो जो भी रहेगा उसका हमको स्क्वायर करना है, दैट इज a square minus b square. So in this way we can write here y square means y power 4. This square means 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4. This is the product of these two bracket, right? Now one more question. That is BC, it is D. Now E, 4x plus 5 and 4 4x plus 5. Right? Now solve 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 5. What do you observe over here? How can you find product? We observe that both bracket are same, all thing is same. First term is same, second term is same, and sign is also same. Right? If both bracket are same, as we know that a into a can be written as a square. Right? A into a can be written as a square. Similarly, when both bracket is same, so we can write here 4x plus 5 4 square. If both bracket is same, you can write here. दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम है, प्लस माइनस सब कुछ सेम है, हम उसको स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं जैसा पहले लिखते थे. स्क्वायर लिख दिया अगर हमने तो क्या हो गया आपका 4x plus 5 4 square. Now what identity number 3? In this case we find that a plus b the whole square, a square 2ab plus b square. So this way we can write here. This is a and this is b. What is a and b? A means 4x square plus 2 into a into b plus b means 5 square. Right? A square is a square. This is a square. So we put this a and put in bracket next square. Plus it is 2. 2 is by the formula. So 2 is by the formula. Then a into b. A is 4x. B is 5. Right? Plus b square plus 5 square. So what about you can say plus and minus? Plus and minus will be according to the formula. अगर हमारा क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू द फार्मूला हो गया तो प्लस और माइनस भी अकॉर्डिंग टू द फार्मूला यूज किया जाए. अलग से प्लस माइनस के बारे में कंसीडर नहीं करना है. राइट? क्योंकि जब हम आइडेंटिटी को पहचान लिए, आइडेंटिटी को हमने चेक कर लिया, यही आइडेंटिटी यूज हो रही है, तो इस प्लस एंड माइनस तो हमको अलग से प्लस माइनस कंसीडर नहीं करना है. सो दिस विल बी 16x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 4 जा 8 8 5 जा 40 x plus 25. This is the product of these two brackets. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now try one more homework. 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4. Now we have simplified a, b and e, and you should do at homework b, d and f. Okay? Try to simplify these 3 questions and practice for this. Okay? Thank you very much.